Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, my group will present about Technical Support Service and Maintenance for Information Agency IMD222. So we have to find and recommend to Lisa about a complete computer component for her study with a affordable price. Our group consists 3 members. For the first, I will introduce myself, Muhammad Farizwan bin Basri.
My name is Muhammad Adam Mirza bin
Muhammad
Zaki.
Daniel Hakim bin First is monitor. We recommend Lisa to use the Samsung Curve monitor because it's a quite big monitor as it has 24-inch resolution and it's very comfortable for Lisa to play games and watch movie. Next, it also has i7 mode, which can increase viewing comfort when always use the computer. Next is it also has Samsung Eco 7, which is it can reduce electricity use and environmental impact.
Next is computer case. The brand that I recommended is Armageddon Decathlon T3Z gaming PC cases, which color black and red. It support full ATX with large tinted transparent sideboards. The black it's black coated interior. Also have feature like USB 3.0 and USB 2.0, and it also has HD audio ready with hidden cable management that can make your wiring more easier to manage. It also has 1-year warranty for after purchase.
Okay, for the next component is MSI H110M motherboard. So this motherboard support 6th generation Intel Core and support DDR4 2133 memory. For DDR4 boost, its content give your DDR4 memory a performance boost to faster your computer. And it also have USB 3.1 Gen 1 plus SATA 6GB and VGA armor reinforced armor slot.
Next is graphic card. The graphic card that we recommend Lisa is Gigabyte GT710 graphic card. The graphic card can support high resolution video and image, so it's suitable for Lisa to play games and watch movie. The graphic card is important because the better graphic card, the better image and video can be produced.
Next is network card. Network card or NIC contain electronic circuit that allow computer to connect with wireless and wired connection. The network card that we using are Realtek. They are updated in chipset and support Windows 7 to 10 and also support Linux and Mac OS. They also compatible with HP and Dell.
Okay, for the sound card, this is OHPCI Express sound card. It is a fully sound laser pro and direct. It has 2 sound compatible. It is external and internal connector. For external, it contains SPK1, SPK2, SPK3, line in and mic in. And for the external connector, it contains CD audio, AUTOCAD connector, 3D effect, and Microsoft Direct Sound 3D.
Next is power supply. Power supply is an electronic device that functions to convert electronic source to electronic load. We recommend Lisa to use the Corsair VS450 series watt power supply. Its function a good quality control, and it has 122 mm fan. The feature is black housing and all black sleeve cable and connection. This power supply have 3-year warranty.
For the OS, I chose Windows 8.1 Professional. Windows 8.1 may be updated, but it can be upgraded to Windows 10. It is the best OS for business, for tablet and PC, because it has enterprise grade security, which can ensure your privacy. And this app is empowered by BYOD.
Okay, Microsoft Visual C++. This is software that are trialware and freeware software form for this Microsoft Visual C++. It is free to download. It feature tool for developing and debugging C++ code, especially code written for Windows API, DirectX, and Net framework.
For the next software is Microsoft Office software. We recommend Lisa to use the Microsoft Office 365 software because this software has all the package of Microsoft Office software, such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and many more. So it can help Lisa to use to make her assignment in her study.
Adobe ACROBAT is an application that developed by Adobe to manipulate PDF. The reason we pick Adobe ACROBAT is enjoy the quality. Is because it delivered by license, and it support all language around the globe. It also support both 32-bit and 64-bit, and you're able to register online or using via email.
The next software is Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2018. Okay, for this software is 800% working for offline version, and no monthly subscription fee. It also provide with installation guide. For this software, it compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10.
For the next software is Adobe Creative Suite Design Standard software. This software have all the package to make design such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe InDesign. This software can help Lisa to produce a great utility design in a short time. This software also support for the latest HTML5 and CSS3. By using this software, Lisa can produce great design without using other software. Just use the Adobe Creative Suite Design.
Next, I'm gonna explain about AutoCAD architecture. AutoCAD architecture is version of AutoCAD. It's help for mainly help architecture for designing plans and making blueprint. For this, we choose AutoCAD architecture because it has 3 years of usage there, and it will be delivered by email, which you can register and nothing else will be posted except the fact that you buy the AutoCAD architecture.
Okay, for the next software is VB.NET Conversion Pocket Reference. This software is aimed to help make the switch from CH to Visual Basic.NET. It's different between the two language. Occur in 3 main areas: syntax, object oriented, and the Visual Studio.NET. For object oriented, different are less obvious and concern different in implementation and feature set between the two language.
Okay, for RAM is a form of a computer data storage that store data and machine code currently being used. We recommend Lisa to use the Kingston Hyper Fury Black RAM. Forget RAM because the RAM is suitable for the motherboard that we recommend early. So it also can support the computer and can manage many tasks in a time. So it can help Lisa to do many tasks in a time. So it can reduce the time for Lisa to make tasks in her studies.
I'm gonna explain about Intel Core i5 processor. Intel Core i5 processor is a mid-range processor that was created between i3 and i7 in 2009. It has a processor base frequency of 3.30 GHz, which dual core or quad core. It has a feature which is Intel Turbo Boost that can speed up your processor. The display resolution is up to 4K, and it is a 6th generation processor.
For the hardware, we choose this HP DeskJet printer. We choose the printer because it is all-in-one printer. It can print, scan, and copy. This printer can afford until 1,000 pages of paper, and it's a compact design from HP.
Storage device. We recommend Lisa to use the WD Blue 1TB hard disk drive because the hard disk is quite big for students, especially. So they can use this hard disk to save many files such as movie, assignment, or as gaming.
For the mouse, I recommend Lisa to buy a gold ergonomic mouse high position optical virtual mouse. Because it has right hand positioning and advanced ergonomic, which can be comfortable for your hand to hold for a long time. It also wrist tension free, which means you can hold it for a long time and doesn't feel pain in your wrist. It also features optical tracking, smooth movement, and adjustable DPI setting, which has high sensitivity, but you can adjust it later. It also has a next and previous button for watching movie. It also has auto sleep feature and wireless mouse conserve power. It also have a mode that can save battery. Connection type is USB wired compatible and compatible for Mac OS, Linux, and especially Windows.
For the hardware is keyboard. This is mock wire mechanical gaming keyboard. This keyboard is suitable for gaming and it is friendly environment. It also ergonomic design. This keyboard has blue switches with a clicky sound, so it's suitable for gaming PC.
For the next hardware is speaker. We recommend Lisa to use the Frontal Artes gaming and mobile speaker because the speaker can produce quality and clear sound, especially when we want to play games and watch movie.
For the conclusion, we already finished the task by fulfill the Lisa needed with the affordable price, 3,503 ringgit Malaysia for all the component of computer. It's all from us. Thank you.